Found it, huh?
This is our boat. Oh my gosh.
You can sit upstairs also.
Oh my gosh. Shimmery timbers, come up here. So guys, the captain's letting me drive the whole boat and I don't even have license for anything.
Okay.
I don't have car license, I don't have boat license. And I'm only 9 years old. Guys, look at that ship. That is so big and it's so near. Oh my god. Agent Sal Sagre. So hi guys, we're at Hudayriat and today we're exploring the boats. So yeah, I'm so excited.
Cheese, cheese. I don't know which one. Right?
I hope we're going in a good one like that.
Found it, huh?
This is our boat. Oh my gosh.
You can sit upstairs also.
Hi guys, I'm going to show you a tour of this boat. So, if you go down these stairs, here will be the bedroom. Oh my gosh, the engine is so loud. Here's the bathroom. Whew. So beautiful here. So, if you go behind this large speaker, he'll be the captain's seat, and here is the area. So, Bismillah. So we've Bismillah. We've got a bed. Why do I feel something is in there? Okay. Hey, Panda, are you Narfies? If you're Narfies, nice to meet you. Alright. Here is. Oh, whoa, whoa. Wow. So this is the washing machine and this is the shower. Let's go. And yeah, that is literally all. Pretty nice boat. Oh. Not to mention, I almost forgot showing you outside, guys. Almost forgot. So if you go outside, there's gonna be stairs. There's gonna be stairs right here. And here's the other captain's seat. Shiver me timbers! Wow! Alright, so here is the other captain seat, what I'm talking about, the second one.
And what's there?
Ooh, yeah, this is the good one. So, look at that thing.
Oh, there's like a kitchen.
Just look at that thing. I think that's the maintenance. Probably
Yeah.
that's the maintenance.
Here's another bedroom, so 3 bedrooms.
Yeah. Actually, so I'm going to show you a tour of this whole ship. So, here's outside of the ship. And here's upstairs of the ship. So there are 2 captain seats actually.
What's Hanif then?
So there's 1 captain seat here and there's 1 captain seat below. So 2 captain seats. Oh my god, shimmery timbers, come up here.
Look at the moon.
It feels so just it's like you're gonna fall
Yeah, it's windy. Salman.
God,
Yeah.
timbers.
Come, you here. You there.
You want to drive?
Oh, oh God. Oh.
Captain Salman. Captain.
Oh.
I can think of
Okay. I don't even have any license, and I'm only 9 years old, guys, and I'm driving home. Wow. How am I doing this? You should be flashing the thing.
Right, going right.
Oh my gosh. Literally, guys, I don't have any license for anything. I don't have a license for
That's a
motorcycles.
baby.
I don't have license for cars. I don't have license for boats. And I don't know even
You
what type of license.
لا لا أنا يجي drive.
Literally. I think I'm breaking the law right now. Wow.
Going instant.
Salman. يلا cheese Salman.
So the captain's letting me drive the whole entire.
That's enough.
So guys, the captain's letting me drive the whole boat, and I don't even have license for anything.
Okay.
I don't have car license. I don't have bus license, and I'm only 9 years old. And they let me drive.
This is
Oh, big shit. Guys, I can't believe I'm doing this.
Right.
Left,
Left.
left. Hanif! Look! Hanif!
Left.
Wow, it's so beautiful, guys. It's a lifetime experience. And I don't even have license for anything, and I'm only 9 years old.
okay.
Which is crazy.
Yeah. Bismillah.
So let's go to the front side or back side. No,
Front-
it's
that's
front
the-
side.
yeah.
Front side. Hanif, أنا drive before. Hanif, أنا drive before.
يلا cheese Salman. Nice.
I want Hanif to see the video. That's how you
Not
drive.
Yeah, let's go. You go first. يروح ما مشكلة. It's cold. Salman, look at the jet there.
Bismillah.
I'm just going with Hanif. Anita. Oh.
The other side, Salman, the water.
Wow. It looks so good.
Yeah.
But they're only a little loud.
Yeah, because it's on both sides and it's very expensive. Like 9,000 a night. A night would be 9,000.
Guys, look at that ship. That is so big and it's so near. Oh my god. That must be a cargo ship or something. I don't know. But that is a big ship. Wow. One big ship. That is actually, it's so near, by the way. We never saw a big ship so near to a yacht.